What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, and right now we're gonna be doing a Mohawk fade. So this is the beginning, just spinning them around, showing you the haircut, and then we're gonna hop into it. Now we are prepping the hair, combing it, getting those curls out, combing hair in the right direction as well. After I take this comb, I am going to get my pick and also pick that out just like I'm doing here right now, and I'm making sure I'm pulling everything as far out as possible so we can get the cut. Now we put in this the ball line. I like to do my mohawks like a curved line, not like just a blunt straight line. Clean up at the bottom, and then I'm gonna go from that curve to like the bottom of the C cup, you know what I'm saying, like right where it starts, and then that's gonna where we put our ball line. And a quick tip, make sure when you're cleaning up people's face hair, them clippers ain't sharp, because it'll look like they done got in a fight with a tiger in your chair, and it is not gonna be good. It's gonna be looking like whelps all on the face. You don't want that. You don't want that. Starting with that first guideline, which is the no guard open. We're just gonna go all the way down to like the dark, like where the ball line is, like the dark area. It's gonna stop right there, just a little smidget, and then we're gonna work our way up to like a full inch when we're going towards the front. And then just keeping this width going over it multiple times, making sure it's all done at one length. And then we're gonna take that bottom line out. Right here, just doing a little freehand game, you know, just giving us a little freehand game right here. Gliding straight up, coming off the head, getting those loose ends. Really just shaping the haircut, you know what I'm saying? If you shape your haircut, you know, it just come together better. Like you can just see it come together way better, for me at least. And then I can go from there after I get everything cleaned out, and you know, I can start my fade better. So boom, now we taking out this bottom line, you know what I'm saying? We got the guard all the way closed, and we just flicking. Boom, 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 just flicking. Quick movements, you know what I'm saying? And we moving at the same time, as you can see. Make sure you put that ear down because you don't want to cut nobody. But we flicking at that line, little small flicks, and then open it up gradually, as you can see. And this line's coming out pretty easy like butter. With the next guard, we got that 1.5 on, and we debucking, you know what I'm saying, combing in the right direction. You know, that's the main key, I feel like it is, to a haircut, combing in the right direction, and then cutting the hair against the grain in the right direction. You know, so we just doing that. We're gonna do that all the way down the fade, as you can see right here, and just comb in the right direction. I got the guard closed right now, and then I'm gonna work down from halfway to open, and then just really just working this fade right now, deep walking. Now coming in from the side angle with the one, I close it up right here, you know what I'm saying? Just flicking at that dark area, open it back up a little bit, boom, 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 comb in the right direction. And really just hitting that line, trying to get that line that I'm hitting right now. Just trying to get it as faint as possible, you know what I'm saying? Coming down with the grain so I can lay the hair down right now. So after this guard, I'm gonna come in with my 0.5, and then we're just gonna tack that faint line, the one that I'm hitting in the middle right now. So make sure you going over this line multiple times and combing in the right direction. And that fade is easily gonna start coming through. So start coming through. At 0.5 guard, you feel me? So comb in the right direction. I got it open right now. Just seeing me open it. Combing and then just going in that angle. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be going in that angle and using my corners too. So hitting that middle line. Start from open, halfway, close, and then just work your way all the way down. Doing the same thing until that line keep disappearing just a little bit more. And if it ain't gone, then you take that 0.5 off and then hit it open with no guard on, and then start notching at it. Man, I felt like I wasn't talking to y'all for a little minute, so I'm back. But right here, we just lining it up, making this line crispy as possible. And please, y'all, please listen to me. Hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button, like button, comment. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep getting this line crispy. But yeah, I'm out. Back to the freehand game, you know what I'm saying? Just gliding, cleaning this fade up right now. I picked it out, made all the hair come forward. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody hiding, and then we just cutting it off. Boom. Anybody hiding? Cut it off. Boom. Cut it off. Boom. Cut it off. Boom. Cut it off. Don't be scared. Just cut it. Come in the right direction, and man, you're really just shaping it right now, getting it how you want it. And yeah, just keep doing this, practice on this, and you're gonna get it, man. You're gonna get a champ. You're gonna get a champ, don't worry. as you can see, I'm using my finger to rub off the enhancement because like sometimes my gun be tripping, man. My gun, it'll spray. I feel like it be spraying too much to where the enhancements is running. So I gotta like pause, spray, like look at I'm like spraying a little bit, spraying, because it keep leaking. Please let me know in the comment section, how can I stop this? What do I need to do? But yeah, that's why I'm rubbing his forehead like that, just so it don't mess up and get on his skin. And you know what I'm saying? Like, if anybody know who deal with enhancements, if that enhancement just start running everywhere, it can make the skin wet and then it's not dry no more, so it ain't as crispy. So I'm trying my best to keep it, you know what I'm saying, where the hair supposed to be. So yeah, that's why I was doing that. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Where do you see that crispy line? Man. Please, everybody listen to me. Hit that subscribe button. You feel me? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, please do. You know what I'm saying? And also leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear what y'all saying. But this is the haircut, bro. Thank y'all for watching. More videos coming soon, and let's get it.